So are you curious on how to use your electric toothbrush? Well, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I'm going to show you on how you can use your electric toothbrush. It's pretty easy. First, you would need to have the electric toothbrush and a great set of teeth. You would then, depending on what type of toothbrush it is, whether it's just a battery-operated toothbrush or a mechanical one that spins around, you would then just pretty much turn it on, and then you would. In this case, this is just a vibrating toothbrush, so you would actually have to perform some type of motion with this, and then you just go ahead and start brushing your teeth like you normally would in a circular motion. Make sure you get the front part of the teeth, also to the back side of the teeth, and then on top of your teeth. If you have a toothbrush that is where the head actually spins around in a circular motion, it's a lot more better for you because it's less work that you have to do, and you're letting the toothbrush do all the work for you. So in that case, if you do have a toothbrush with an electric head where it spins, then you would just pretty much need to hold it into place on your tooth and then let it do all the work. And the bristles will go all the way around, up around the gum, in between the teeth, and then you would just hold it in front, do it on the sides, and then on the back. It's pretty easy. Once again, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I just showed you on how to use your electric toothbrush.